Hello mga kabebe! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button para makita sa aking upcoming videos. Mga kabebe! Welcome back to my channel! Kabebe, welcome back to my channel. So, ayan, it's been a long time since the last time I make a vlog. So, in this episode I just want to show you how I make my everyday looks at work. So, it's so very easy. Even in my hair, it's so very easy, guys. I hope you will enjoy this video. So, stay tuned.
A few moments later.
So, ayan. Kakaligo ko lang po. Ayan, wala pang kaayos-ayos yung aking muka. So, I'm going to show you, I'm gonna be showing to you kung ano ba yung mga nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. So, ayan, start na po tayo, guys. So, first is ito. Ayan, gumagamit ako ng Nlighten Cloudcream. Bali, bagong packaging po siya, guys. Ngayon is mas mura na siya. And ito is made from rice and milk. So, in my first ever vlog, doon makikita nyo yung aking skincare night routine. Nandun din po yung Cloudcream, guys. So, check nyo na lang po siya. So, ito po yung mousse na ginagamit ko. Parang base na po siya.
At the same time, ito lang po yung ginagamit ko for 3 years. And pinapatuan ko lang po siya ng Johnson's baby powder. Bali, ito ever since ito lang po talaga yung ginagamit ko, guys. So, medyo nag-upgrade lang. Nadagdagan lang siya ng Cloudcream. So, ganito po. So, ayan, na-spread ko lang po siya ng cream sa T-zone ko. And then ko lang siya i-blend sa mukha ko gamit ng kamay ko. So, after my face, sa neck naman po, guys, ayan. Para pantay, diba? Para fair yung kulay.
Next that I'm going to put in my face is this, guys. Parang ito na po yung aking foundation. Since hindi po ako gumagamit ng makeup, I'm just using this one, the Johnson's baby powder. Pang ano po talaga siya, pang baby skin. So, ayan, sobrang simple lang po niya, guys. Ayan. Puti ng mukha ko, diba? So, next is, ayan. So, next is, I'm going to put my eyebrows. So, basically, kahit ano namang eyebrows na brand yung ginagamit ko, guys. As long as pencil po. Pencil po talaga yung ginagamit ko. Naglalagay muna po ako ng pattern and then later I'm going to blend it para maging kilay na siya, guys. So, wait lang po. Ayan, guys, my final eyebrow. So, I'm only just using a pencil kasi it's more easier for me to use it than the ano ba yun? Kesa dun sa ginagamit talagang pang eyebrow. So, next is, ayan, naglalagay ako ng konting eyeshadows. Pampaano lang siya, pampaganda lang ng mata. So, I'm just only using my finger. Kasi I told you I'm not using makeup. Bali, ito lang talaga, sa mata lang po. So, maybe dito na lang. Here, naglalagay lang ako dito. Ayan, konti lang siya puti. I'm using a Nichido eyeshadow palette.
I bought this last year. 2019 when I went to Philippines to have my vacation before pandemic starts. But still, konti lang yung nabawas ko, guys. Kasi, konti lang talaga yung ginagamit ko sa mata ko. Ayan. I'm not good in doing some makeup, guys. So, sorry. Hindi po talaga ako ganun karunong. And then this one, I'm using this palette. Bali, ito po is gift from my supplier in Jayne's online shop. So, ang ganda niya guys. Gusto ko siyang gamitin. Bali made in Korea kasi to. So, ayan, nalagay ko lang siya ng konti dito. Skin tone lang siya. Pero may konting glitters. Ayan. Sobrang ano lang yung tsura natin guys. Parang wala lang siya. Diba? And then, naglalagay lang ako ng konting dark dito sa gilid. Yeah. Ayan lang. O, diba? Parang wala lang. Just like nothing. Just like normal lang po yung face ko. Parang wala talaga. And then, next is, ayan, lalagay ako ng liquid eyeliner. Any brand din guys, kung ano available, yung ginagamit ko. Pero favorite ko po yung sa Nature's Republic doon guys. Maganda yung ano nila doon. Mga liquid eye, and then yung mascara. And then, sobrang tagal maubos. So, I'm going to use this guys. Para perfect po yung ating, cat eye look.
So, this is it guys. I already have my cat eye look. So, after po ng aking liquid eyeliner, next is gumagamit ako ng mascara. Ayan. Kasi hindi po ako gifted sa eyelashes ko. So, kailangan ko mag-mascara. So, I'm using the Nature's Republic na cosmetic po. Bali, sobrang tagal ko na po itong ginagamit. I think it's already 4 months but still have. Hindi po siya makalat. So, I love to use this, guys. Maybe dito na lang. Mahirap. Dito na lang. Mahirap. So, ito na yung aking mata, guys. Ito na. Hindi ko alam kung saan po ako haharap. So, for the last one is this one. Sometimes I'm using this, but sometimes it's not. Going to use this eyeliner kasi hindi po ako gagamit ng eyeglasses. So, kailangan, bet na bet yung ating mata, diba? So, dito na lang siguro. Sorry guys, hirap na hirap talaga ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sorry.
Oh my God! Wow!
Since the pandemic starts, I stopped using lipstick, guys. Pero before, I'm using red lipstick. Yun po talaga yung favorite color ng lipstick na gusto ko, guys. So, since the pandemic starts, I'm just using a lip therapy. So, ito lang ginagamit ko sa lips ko. Useless din po kasi kapag nag-lipstick ka dahil may face mask ka naman. So, wala namang makakakita nun. Ikaw lang, di ba? So, I'm using a lip therapy para kahit pa paano, di ba? Maging smooth pa rin po yung lips ko. So, ayan, wow. So, guys, this is my final look. Ayan, sobrang simple lang po talaga ng mukha ko everyday sa trabaho. Ever since naman, ganito lang talaga ako mag-ayos. Sabi ko nga, I'm not using makeup only for my eyes. Kasi, di ba, sabi nga, ito yung unang napapansin, mata. So, kailangan maganda yung mata natin. I fix my face. Yeah, actually, my face and my eyes. Oh, wait, this is not so good for me. Next thing to do is, yeah, I just tie my hair with this donut bun. Kasi my hair is not that so thick, so I need to use this to make it thicker. Thicker? Yeah. So, I'm going to show you how I fix my hair. First is I tie it like this. Tie my hair like this. Next is the donut bun. So, like this. So easy. Next is this one. Ayan guys. Okay na, diba? Lagay na natin yung final. Ayan. So that's it. It's my final look every day in my workplace. So I used to be like this for almost 3 years. Medyo nakakaumay siya, pero ganun po talaga. So eto siya, yung aking hair. I'm going to show you this. So, ayun. Sobrang simple lang ng aking hair. And then, sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. So, it's so easy for only just 2 to 3 minutes. Gito na po yung kalalabasan ng inyong hair. And syempre sa aking looks, ganyan lang din talaga kasimple yung aking mukha araw-araw. So, I hope you enjoy my video. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. And click the notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa aking upcoming videos. So, ayan guys, I hope nag-enjoy po kayo. And see you again for my next vlog. Thank you for watching. More hugs and kisses. God bless everyone. Bye!